The lid organizer pull-out from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. When placing this organizer on an adjustable shelf, L brackets are included to firmly secure the shelf to the cabinet. Install the 4 L brackets to the bottom of the shelf. Then place the shelf inside the cabinet at your desired height and secure with the mounting screws provided. Place the organizer on the shelf, making sure you have clearances to pull past the door and hinges. Secure through the metal support rails with the 4 screws provided.